Hello, students who study Russian language a little bit. And I'm showing you just that, a little bit. We have a funny expression which sounds very funny. Чуть, чуть. We have here only 4 letters, as you see. Ch, like in chicken. We have special consonant ch. You can see it. It's like chair upside down, okay? Ch. The second is vowel u. English Y is a Russian vowel u. Ch, u, chu. The third one you can recognize. It's t as in English t, as in Russian t. And chut, ch, u, t. And the last one is so-called soft sign. Soft sign has a function. It can stand only after consonants to make them very soft. If I read this word only three first letters, chut, you see, I do not have softness to my final t. Chut, not correct. Chut, ch, is very soft. Ch, and also t, soft sign, t, мягкий знак, we call soft sign, мягкий знак. T, soft sign, is the classical ending of thousands and thousands of Russian verbs, infinitive forms. Basic form of the verb: ходить, бродить, писать, петь, anything, okay? Any verbs will have many of them, will have ending t, soft t. T, we pronounce, this is a dental vowel, we pronounce t, t. Your tip of the tongue presses your upper teeth from inside. T, t, t. This is dental consonant. T. Same in Russian, same in Spanish. T. Чуть. And for ch, for the softness, we have to tense our muscles in the mouth. Ch. And like with effort, we pronounce it with the effort, чуть. And then almost the middle of the tongue is touching the upper palate, okay? For this softness, чуть, чуть, чуть. Ч, у, т, чуть, чуть-чуть, чуть-чуть, чуть-чуть. Чуть-чуть is a little bit, a little bit. I used to have a friend long ago, and in California, and he loved this. He was corresponding with a Russian woman from Siberia, and so he loved this expression, I remember. And now somebody reminded me, and I decided to show it. Look how it looks. You look at it like at a picture, and it's funny. It's easy to remember, right? And funny to pronounce. Чуть-чуть, чуть-чуть, a little bit. Чуть-чуть, a little bit has all 3 different things, yes, going on. But this one is repetition, like of a funny, I don't know, animal, some kind of funny animal. Чуть-чуть, чуть-чуть, чуть-чуть. And you show with your, fingers, with 2 fingers you show a little bit, чуть-чуть. And this a little bit is an international gesture, with fingers, yes, чуть-чуть, a little bit, чуть-чуть. Anything you talk about чуть-чуть is a very handy, funny, everyday conversational expression. Чуть-чуть, чуть-чуть. Thank you. I hope you liked it. Yes, bye. I hope you liked it at least a little bit. Я надеюсь, что вам понравилось чуть-чуть хотя бы.